Snacks time. Waffle time. A different feeling. So, yan. Tingnan natin kung ilan ang laman. Oh, wow. Wow. You see the one. Oh. We have other friend, I don't know what is this is I don't know what is the flavor. Where is yours?
Sa'yo to? Masa'yo to?
Ito yung sa'yo? Ba't mo binalik dyan?
Si ate ka na lang to eh. Baka kayong kuya ko sa'yo. Sa'yo to?
Ano bang flavor ng iba? Akin na yan!
Ma, wag mo kainin!
Bakit?
Chocolate to sa kanila lang to.
Naku, kainin pa rin yan. Ayaw ni
Patikim.
Kumain ka na, Ken?
Yung akin ngayon nasa labas.
Ilan na ba dito? Tig-isa tayo. Isa kay Jose. O, isa kay Jose at saka isa kay Ganggang na lang to, ha? Ano ba?
Sa kanila lang to. Akin to.
Ano ba yan? Akin na itong sa'yo. O, diba? Ang ganda.
Kay ate kang to.
Hayaan mo na meron siya. O, tig-isa sila. Hayaan mo na. Alis ka.
Gagalitan ako ni ano.
Hindi yan gagalit. Ako gagalit. Ay, ang cute ng halagayan.
Ikaw magsabi pag nagalit to.
Oo, ako magsabi. Oh, chocolate flavor this one.
Ma, tirahan mo sila.
Meron nga, dalawa, tig-isa sila.
Chocolate and chocolate. Gusto
Meron.
nila chocolate.
Meron pang chocolate.
Eh, patingin nga.
Huwag mo na yung dalawa yan.
Patingin.
Muna na.
Patingin.
Bigaya mo ako.
My God, tumulog pa. Para tulog tae.
Ayaw di ba ni Bea? Ha? Ayaw di ba ni Bea?
Biya, ayaw mo, Biya? Ha? Biya? Oh, chocolate yung flavor niyan. Lahat ata chocolate ito eh. Oh, puro chocolate. Akin na. Ito rin, chocolate din to. Akin na.
Mama, wag mo nga ubusin. Ay, sa kanilang na ako. Inipitera ko.
Ito nga, chocolate din yan eh. Dalawa nga dito eh. Mura magagbuang chocolate. Hindi mo ba nakita yan?
Mas ganda.
Puro to kalukutuhan sa amin eh.
Yan, tigas na.
Huwag kang kumain dyan sa sopa. Tingnan mo, chocolate din yan. Loko ka. Akin na yan. Meron nga dito si Ate Gang. Ang kulit mo ha. Ayan.
Oo.
Ang iwan mo lang yan.
Lalaban na ako, ma.
Huwag niyong kuluin. Huwag kang kumain dyan sa sopa. Ay sa bed. Lahat na lang kinain ni Ami.
Lahat chocolate yun, ha?
Sabi ko mga sa'yo, lahat chocolate, lahat naman kinatikman mo. Bigyan mo chupon. Amen. Ken, anong flavor sa'yo, Ken? Ken. 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 Anong flavor sa'yo? Lahat ay chocolate. I don't like chocolate flavor. I like cheese. So, this is This is only a treat. I don't know who buy this. This one buy the one who buy of waffle. The sister of Sisi, the hubby of my daughter. They meet up at the esteem. There was, saan kayo kumain, Mi? Saan kayo? Popeyes? Hindi mo dinala yung chicken mo? Boy, pwede naman yun i-take out eh.
Ayaw ko. Nahihiya kami, ma.
Bakit nahiya kayo, di ba? Pag hindi nyo niya ubos. Alam nyo ako guys, pag kumain ako sa restaurant, if the food, I cannot finish to eat because I'm full. I bring it to the house. Why? You paid it. And you know, maraming nagugutom. There's a lot of people here didn't eat. So I bring the food. I bring home the food. Why are you shy if you take out the food? You feed.
Yan mo na yan.
Diba?
Huwag mo yung kainin na. Kasi
So ayan, waffle time, mag-franchise na ng pambansang waffle ng Pilipinas. Ayan, a different feel. The original waffle side. A different feeling.
Sinama mo pa sa pagpapalaundry yung ano? White kong ano, PE?
Hindi.
Wala din sa labahan.
Hindi ko napalundry. Ano? Savory fillings of American hot dog, tuna salad, bacon and cheese, cheese delight, German cheese franks, ham and cheese, KG cheese dogs, KG chicken hot dog, and tuna cheese dog. Sweet filling, ultimate ovi, Bavarian cream, Belgian chocolate, Swiss chocolate. So I don't like chocolate. Maybe the sweet fillings are like the Bavarian cream. I love Bavarian. Bavarian. So dito naman sa savory fillings, I like the ham and cheese and also the bacon and cheese and also the tuna salad and cheese delight. I don't like American hot dog. I don't like KG cheese dig. I don't like tuna cheese dog. I like bacon and cheese. I like and cheese delights and also ham and cheese. I don't like chocolate. No, I ate chocolate, but you guys, the best of me, the chocolate I love to eat is the Land from Swiss. Ayan. I love chocolate lens, and I don't. Maybe I ate the Toblerone. I love the Toblerone black. Then also the what do you call that one? Snickers, and also the Milky Way. I don't like what do you call that one? Roger Ferrero. I don't like that one kind of chocolate. Everyone's the ones to eat the Ferrero, Roger Ferrero. I don't like. I don't know. I like Land chocolate. When I was in France, my simple chocolate is only Cloud9. That's my chocolates. But when I was here in Manila, I have some friends, seafarers. If they go back here in the Philippines, someone's asking, when what? Oh, you want chocolate? I said to my old friends, seafarers, maybe, what do you call that one? Ikaw nang bahala. Oh, that one. Hey, why are you crying, baby? Oh my God, kasi natutulog. Wag mong Huwag mong ibigay sa crying baby. Give the Oh.
Ayun na nga, di.
Alis ka na dyan. Pulutin mo yung hotdog. Kasi nanay so I end my vlog. Bye! Because my granddaughter is crying. Okay. Dito tayo. Oh, my baby. My crying daughter. Oh.
Sa kusina.
Okay. Aray ko.
Nay.
Okay. Ay, what happened? Ito na. Sleep na. Ding. Oh, sige na. Bye-bye.